So guys, this rules bienvenue. Guys, what's up? It's your boy Luz back with another video. And if you knew that your piano can do sound effects, look right there. You guys can make sound effects. Look. It's Cody small. Look at this one. Oh, look at this one. Walking in the streets, have some new Jordans. Tiptoe to my Jordans. Like this, look. Tiptoe to my Jordans. Don't hit me, please. I'm gonna check it out. It's Cody's mom. It's Cody's mom. Here you playing. He sounds like a play. Damn, it's Cody's mom. Pew pew. It's a call. Woo! Dance with me. This is the call. Woo woo. You press this one at the end. No. Damn it. Oh, damn it. You use this one. Use this one right here. Yeah. I love these sound effects. DJ got that flow. Oh no! Man, these sounds.
Go! Yo! Go! Yo!
Go!
Yo! Go! Yo! Go!
Yo! Go!
Go! Yo!
Is that Cody's mom? Ew, it's Cody's mom. Come on, Cody's mom. Oh. Damn it. Come on, Cody's mom. Here you go, Cody's mom.
Go!
Come on, Cody's mom. I gotta put this sound effects. Lord, let's see.
Go!
Go, Cody's mom, go!
Go!
Woo! Woo! Man, this is cool. If you have a piano, you might sound effects. Show up, Cody's mom. I'm swimming. Where's Cody's mom? Show up, Cody's mom. It's not time yet. It's 5 a.m. I mean 1 a.m. What's wrong with you?
Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Go! Get up! Yo! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up!
Get out!
Yo!
Run! Oh man, South Park is so cool. She's coming. Come on, you gotta go. She's coming. Yeah. You gotta go. Where's my sound effects? Where's my sound effects?